channel Manju Makes. In this video, I will bring to you a fusion dish. Lemon rice arancini is a fusion of South Indian delicacy with everyone's favorite Italian. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel Manju Makes for such an amazing recipes. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's start with the recipe.
For the recipe we need boiled rice, breadcrumbs, boiled potatoes, corn flour, lemon juice, curry leaves, mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese works great for this. Ginger, oregano, green chilies, chili flakes, mustard seeds, red chili powder, salt and turmeric. The quantity you can check from the text given along. First of all, we will prepare the base of our arancini. Take a pan, add oil in it. Now I am going to add mustard seeds. Let it splatter. Now add curry leaves, ginger, green chilies. If you like too spicy, you can adjust the chilies. Then goes our dry spices, red chili powder, turmeric powder. Give it a mix. Then goes in our salt, our boiled rice. You can even use leftover plain rice, zira rice or pulao. And in the last, add lemon juice. Mix it well. Now it's time to transfer lemon rice in the mixing bowl and let it cool for some time. Add mashed boiled potato as it helps in mixing and binding of the rice. Also tastes very good. You can grate the potato also if you prefer that way. Mash the rice finely so when you bite your arancinis, you will not get chunks of rice. Sticky rice are good. If you feel the mixture is not binding properly, you can add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. One tip here, you can grind the prepared lemon rice in the grinder also, but before adding the potato. It will save the time. It's the time to make the Italian filling with the grated cheese and Italian seasoning, oregano and chili flakes. As I have told you, mozzarella cheese works great for this. Time to prepare the corn flour slurry. Make a very thin mixture of corn flour and water. You can see the consistency. With the greased hands, I am going to take small portion of lemon rice, place the grated cheese mixture in the center, and close from all the sides. Roll between your palms, making a round arancinis. Arancinis means small oranges. Keep doing the same procedure for entire mixture. While frying, cheese will split apart. We have to coat the balls with cornflour slurry and then roll in breadcrumbs. Repeat this process twice. If you are a vegetarian, you can use beaten egg instead of cornflour slurry. It works best for the recipe. It's a time to keep the prepared arancini balls in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes to rest before frying. This will help the crumb coating stick to the arancinis during frying. Time to fry the arancinis. Lower the arancini balls in the medium hot oil one by one. Don't overcrowd it, otherwise it will lower the temperature of oil, then arancinis will soak a lot of oil, become soggy. Fry arancinis for 3 to 4 minutes, flipping in between. As everything is cooked in arancinis, we just wait to become golden brown and crispy from all the sides. Instead of frying, you have an option, either shallow fry or bake it in preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping in between and brushing with oil. Remove on tissue paper. Likewise, fry all of them. I'm plating my arancinis with cottage cheese. Serve hot with ketchup and green chutney or any dip of your choice. They really look gorgeous. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Manju Makes.